This lesson is very important.
Mm-hmm.
In this lesson, we will learn three different harakat, three different movements. Okay, three you can say vowels. In Arabic, we say harakat. In English, we say movements. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so these are three symbols. Number one, this is on the top of the letter, and this one in the bottom of the letter. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this one on the top of the letter. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it is called Fatha. Okay, F-A-T, Fatha, H-A, Fatha. Yeah, Fatha. It gives a sound of A, like A sound. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Fatha, A sound. And this is Kasra, like Kasrah. Okay,
Okay.
Kasra. This one, Kasra give a sound of E. Okay, E.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Dhamma. Okay, Dhamma, it give a sound of O. Okay, so this one A, this is E, and this one O.
Mm-hmm.
Remember this sound. A, E, and O. So this is Alif. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Alif has Fatha. So we will say you can put here Hamza too. Okay.
Okay.
So because when Alif has Fatha, when Alif has any of this symbol, so we will read that Alif Hamza. Okay, we will read
Okay.
Hamza, that Alif. So because Alif always will be empty. Okay.
Okay.
So if Alif has any of these symbols, so we will read Hamza. We will read it Hamza. So Hamza, Fatha, A. Okay.
Okay.
Hamza, Fatha, A. Ba, Fatha, Ba. Ba sound is, if you spell Ba in English, so first letter is B. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So B is a Ba sound and Fatha sound is A. So now combine these two. So Ba, Fatha, Ba. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Ta, Fatha, how you read?
Ta.
Ta. Yes. So T is Ta sound and Fatha sound is A. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So Ta. This one.
Ta.
Hmm.
Fa.
Fa. Yes. Suppose S is Sa sound, Fatha sound is A. So Fa. This one.
Ja.
Ja. J, and J is Jim sound. Fatha sound is A. Ja. This one.
Ja.
Hmm.
Ha.
Hmm. This one.
Kha.
Kha. Make it heavy. Kha.
Kha.
Hmm.
Da.
Yes. Da.
Da. Da.
Huh. And one more thing. Here in Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, these three symbols we never stretch. We read these symbols quickly. Okay, like da, the, ra, za.
Okay.
Understand? We cannot say
Okay.
we cannot say the, ra, za. No, it's wrong. Okay,
So
just
sharp.
quickly. Yeah, za, sa, sha, sa. Okay, and
Okay.
one more thing. Suppose this is seen.
Mm-hmm.
So when it has any of the symbols, so we don't read that letters in their full, like in their full voice, like in we not read it like alphabets. Okay, like
Mm-hmm.
seen, sheen. No, we don't read. We just say first part of the letter.
So C.
Yeah, sa, like seen. So sa. We will take first part of the letter sa. Ja. So Jim is a full alphabet. Jim. But we will take first part. Ja. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Ja. Sa. Yes.
Sha.
And one more thing. We cannot say Ha, ha, da. This is also mistake, okay?
Okay.
Like,
Se,
hmm,
she,
hmm,
so,
hmm,
to,
hmm.
ta,
Ta,
to, to,
yes.
a,
Hmm.
ra,
Gha,
ra,
a, gha.
a, ra,
Hmm.
fa, kha,
Qa,
kha, ka, la, ma, na,
hmm.
wa, ha, ha,
This one, it's a. Hamza fatha, a.
a.
This is a. This is also a. So
Okay.
a, and yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Here we will, with the help of this fatha, we will make proper words. Okay, we will read proper words.
Okay.
So this one,
Um, amara,
yes, amara.
amara,
Hmm.
ba'akha,
Balagha. Read lam properly. Balagha.
balagha,
Hmm.
ثمرة,
Hmm.
جمح, جمع,
Jama'a. Yes, ain. Read ain properly. Jama'a.
جمع,
Hmm.
حسل.
Mm-hmm. This one. Which letter is this? Which letter is this?
It's not, I thought it was lamb.
No. Lamb will come in full shape in the end. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Look,
Okay.
this one. This is lamb in the end. This that's
Mm.
it's in a full shape. So this is dal. So dal fatha
Oh,
da. Hasada.
حسد,
Hmm.
ذك, ذكر,
Dhakara.
ذكر,
Hmm.
رفع,
Yes. Rafa'a.
رفع,
Hmm.
زحم,
Which letter is this?
oh, زدم,
No, no. This is Ain. You read
uh,
first time you read correct, but I I want you to pronounce this letter properly. Okay.
Z-
Za'ama. This is Ain. So Ain make it hard. Za'ama.
زعم,
Yes. Za'ama.
زعم,
This one.
سرك, لا
Saraqa.
سرق, سرق,
Saraqa. Next.
صدق,
Yes.
قرب,
Hmm. Daraba.
ضرب,
Hmm. Next.
ز no, sorry, ض,
Hmm.
ظلم,
Zalama. Zalama.
ظلم,
Yeah, when you say law, tip of your tongue should be touched on the bottom edge of upper central two teeth. Okay. Zalama.
ظلم,
Zalama.
عدل,
Adala.
عدل, قمر,
Qamara.
قمر,
Hmm.
كسب,
Hmm.
وجد,
Uh-huh. That don't make it heavy.
وجد,
Wajada.
وجد,
Yes. Wajada.
وجد.
Hmm. Okay, good. So this was exercise of Fatha, okay? You
Okay.
see here all symbols are fatha, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And these are proper words, proper Arabic words, okay?
Okay.
Hmm.